This video, we're going to divide some fractions. These problems will be similar to those in section 2.5, number 9, 11, 15, 25, 31, and 33. We'll also do one that is like number 71. Okay. Let's go ahead and divide these fractions. 9 over 13 divided by 2 over 39. When we divide fractions, we change the division to multiplication. We change the divisor, the thing we're dividing by, to its reciprocal. And then we multiply those fractions. So I see that 13 goes into 39 3 times. That leaves me with 9 times 3 over 1 times 2, which is 27 over 2. For our next problem, we have 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 8. So we leave the first fraction alone, change the division to multiplication, multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. There's nowhere to have any cancellation here because 2 doesn't go into 1, 3 doesn't go into 8 or 2. We end up with 16 over 3. Now we have 5 over 11 divided by 7 over 11. It's going to become 5 over 11 times 11 over 7. 11 divided by 11 is 1. Leaves us with 5 times 1 over 1 times 7 is 5 over 7. Next problem is 4 over 43 divided by 1/2. 4 over 43 times 2 over 1. 2 doesn't go into 43. 4 doesn't go into 43. So this becomes 8 over 43. For next problem, we have 13 over 4 divided by 0. We're not allowed to divide by 0 ever. So this is what we call undefined. Never, ever, ever, ever allowed to divide by 0. That breaks the definition of division. So it's undefined. Our next problem says 0 divided by 2 over 17. That's going to equal 0 because 0 divided by any non-zero number is 0. So those are two special rules to remember. Let's write them up here again. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. 0 divided by anything equals 0 as long as that anything in the denominator is not 0. 0 over 0 would still be undefined. All right, let's go ahead and jump to number 71. Similar problem to that, we have 125 over 54 divided by 5 over 18. It's an 18. There you go. and this is going to be 125 over 54 times 18 over 5. You might want to break this down a little bit. Those are some pretty big numbers. So this is going to be 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. 54 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have a 5, so there's our prime factorization. This 2 and that 2 make a 1. This 3 and that 3 make a 1. That 3 and that 3 make a 1. And one of these 5s makes a 1. And I'm left with 5 times 5 is 25 over, and there's just a 3 left in the denominator. You may have been able to see that back here, that 5 goes into 125 25 times, and the 18 goes into 54 3 times, and you still would have ended up with 25 over 3. Don't be afraid to use your prime factorization to help you write your fraction in lowest terms if you need to. All right, next time we are going to come back and we're going to divide some fractions with some mixed numbers or whole numbers as well. So watch out for that, and see you for the next video.